Hi, welcome. Conversation between the waiters and the client. Might I take your order? Yes, it's like a hamburger and layers order all French fries, please. All right, and would you like salad? Yes, I'll have a mixed green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I'd like a lyric soda, please. Now, welcome to my conversation with the waiter at the restaurant. Good morning, miss. Would you like some time to eat? Good morning. Yes, I'd like a plate of spaghetti and broccoli. Okay, would you like some time to drink? Yes, I'd like to have some hot coffee and milk. Afterwards, bring me some green tea, please. Perfect. And what would you like for dessert? I'd like a 3 milk chocolate chip dessert, please. Okay, would you like anything else, miss? No, that's all. Thank you.